Hello and welcome to the OSD demo on the collaboration module. In this demo, we will cover how authors and leaders can collaborate by locking clauses that they are working on and unlocking the ones that they have finished working on. This demo is relevant for the authors and leaders working on the drafts in the preparatory and committee draft stages. The OSD platform has been designed so that multiple people can edit the same document at the same time without affecting one another's work. Whenever an author starts editing a clause or subclause, it is automatically locked. Authors can manually release or unlock the clauses that they have finished working on. Leaders have the possibility to unlock all clauses locked by all authors in case it is needed. As an author, when you start editing a clause, you will see a green padlock icon appear at the top of the clause, which indicates that this clause is locked by you and that no one else can edit it at the same time. Clauses locked by others will have a gray padlock icon next to them. You will be able to see who has locked it, and it also indicates that you will not be able to edit these clauses at this moment. Some clauses, such as normative references and bibliography clause, have a gray padlock icon next to them at all times. These clauses cannot be edited directly by anyone. The reference list in them can be edited, as you may have seen in the authoring module demos. As an author, when you start editing a clause, you will notice a green padlock icon appear at the top of the clause as soon as you start modifying your clause. It also indicates that the clause is locked by you, which means that you are the only one with the permission to modify this clause at this moment, and no one else can modify this clause. Similarly, clauses that are locked by others have a gray padlock icon next to them, which you can see in the navigation panel and also at the top of the clause. It also indicates who has locked the clause. There are some clauses, such as the normative reference clause and the bibliography clause, which always have a gray padlock icon next to them, which indicates that these clauses are locked for editing at all times and they cannot be directly modified by anyone. The reference lists in them can, however, be modified. Locked clauses can be unlocked so that other authors can work on these clauses and contributors can comment on their latest versions. Authors can unlock their own clauses either one at a time or all clauses in one go. Leaders can not only unlock their own clauses, but also all clauses locked by all authors if the need so arises. For example, if some authors are no longer working on the draft or have gone on holidays and have forgotten to unlock their clauses. As an author, you can see a green padlock icon next to all your own locked clauses. To unlock them, you can simply click on the green padlock icon. You can also unlock all clauses locked by you in one go. To do so, from the Tools menu, go to Other Actions, then from Unlock Clauses, click on Unlock All My Clauses. Now you will see that all the clauses that were previously locked by you have been unlocked. Similarly, if a clause is locked by someone else, for instance, in this case, we see that the clause is locked by the project leader, you cannot modify it. At this moment, the person who has locked this clause, if they choose to unlock it in the same way by clicking on the green padlock icon in their view, the other authors will now see that a new version of this document is available and the padlock icon is no longer there. They will also see a refresh icon next to the clause in the navigation area. They can click on the refresh button of the browser to refresh the entire draft, and going back to the clause, they will notice that it's no longer locked and they will see the latest version of this clause. As a leader, you can also unlock all clauses locked by all users. Similarly, from the Tools menu, Other Actions, go to Unlock Clauses and then click on Unlock All Clauses. This will release all the clause locks and the entire draft will now be available for modification by all authors. Thank you for watching this demo. We encourage you to watch all other demos available in case you already haven't done so. If you have any questions, please contact us at helpdesk@iso.org.